Alright, so part 2 to changing these shoes. I'm going to remove these springs first. I want to get this adjuster off so I can free it up. So first I'm going to use long nose pliers, remove these springs, and then I can take these bars out and take these out. They're just spring loaded. Take those out. A bit tricky to show you doing that at the same time, but I'll do what I can. Okay, so you can see that removing the springs, everything's just come apart there easily. I'm leaving this spring on here on, and I can just remove that spring on the outside. So these here is real simple. Just turn that in there and off that comes. And there, so that's come off now. And that's everything on the ground there. And that arm has to be swapped over to, so I'll get out of here and go on the outside. Alright, so I've given this a good clean, the threads and everything, also greased it up. So these can turn easy now. That'll make it easy for adjusting. I decided since I was underneath there, it was effortless to take everything out and give everything a good clean. And the hub itself and everything, give it a paint. Take this cotter pin out and put this arm on the brake shoe. Okay, so ran into a little bit of a problem. So this pin here goes in the old brake shoe easy. It won't go in the new one. It's just a fraction too big. So I'm just going to drill that hole out a little bit bigger. There you go, a little bit bigger. That pin fits through there. Easy now. Beauty part is both shoes are the same, so if you have to muck one up, you just grab the other one. There you go, easy done. So everything's ready to go back in now. Right, so at this point here, just wanted to show you, see this arm here, how it's grooved out differently to the other side. So that's got to go for the handbrake side. So this is the way it's got to go in, like that way there. If I was to put it upside down, then it's going to push against the handbrake constantly against that arm, and that going around this way here, it's equaled. So get that in there like that. Okay, so I've got all that back in now. Everything's gone together quite easily with these adjusted right in. And I didn't show you on the outside, but I've got markers that I've already done here I spoke about earlier. So you can find out where the adjusters are a lot easier now. And it's not guesswork. Part 1 I mentioned this. So this is part 2 video. Okay, so I'm about to adjust the handbrake. So laying up those markers there, you can see now, easy to find. I'm getting in there with a screwdriver and adjust these. I'm going to do one at a time. Do one up until it's a bit hard to turn. Then I'll do the other. Then I'll get the handbrake pulled on inside. My mate will do that. Pull it on and take it off a couple of times so I can work out underneath here. Just tightening it up and loosening it off until I feel it's right. And I'm not going to tap in the lock nut until I'm finished, in case for some reason I want to take the hub off. I don't want to have to do any more damage to this than I have to, so we won't knock those in until I'm absolutely 100% sure I'm finished here, and then I'll tap that in. Alright, so adjusting the bottom one first, turning that wheel on the inside clockwise, so I can get out of the way there so I can show you this. So you can see the wheel on the side there, and that should be counterclockwise for the top one as well, I think, but we'll get to that. And that's what I'm doing, and just keep on doing this, turning it, doing that until I find that it gets a bit hard. Then I'll wind it back a couple. Okay, so that's at the point now that I can feel that it's a bit stiff to turn by hand, but not hard to turn. And I look inside there and I can see that that one there is roughly about a 5mm gap. Come around to the other one and it's about the same. So I'm happy with that. And the handbrake inside feels nice, so I'm now going to press these in and put the shaft back on. So there we go, done and dusted. That's all back together, shaft's on, handbrake's working perfect. We're going inside just so I can show you how far it comes up. Okay, so there's a handbrake here, so 3 and it's tight. If you pull really hard, you'll get a 4th, but it doesn't come all the way up here anymore. Perfect. Job's done. Alrighty, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.